Enjoy quick, hassle-free and efficient cooking with the 6-liter electric pressure cooker with LED display from Super General. Made from high-quality stainless steel that ensures durability and is easy to clean and maintain. This pressure cooker is an ideal partner for your kitchen. The electric pressure cooker has a touch panel with 12 convenient preset menus and 8 hours preset timer for easy cooking. Thanks to the Keep Warm function, it ensures food remains fresh and hot for a long time. There are 9 safety features and stainless steel housing to ensure safe operation, along with 4-digit LED display that indicate the time and mode functions. This pressure cooking pot has a 1100-watt power for faster and efficient cooking. It contains a robust top lid handle, 2 side handles for easy transportation, lock and unlock markers on the lid for safety. The pressure cooking inner pot is durable and built to last. Enjoy effortless cooking with this versatile and multifunctional electric pressure cooker from Super General. Super taste with Super General.